This is a final video to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance II black screen crash on PC. And if your game won't launch or closes immediately, this video will solve it. Are you facing a problem where Kingdom Come Deliverance II shows a black screen or crashes right after startup no matter how many times you restart or reinstall? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicting system settings that block proper rendering. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that instantly fixes black screen crashes and lets Kingdom Come Deliverance II launch smoothly. This simple method works fast, safely, and ensures your game runs without interruptions. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally play Kingdom Come Deliverance II on PC without black screen issues.